welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama cookbook. Wow, so cute. What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Slumbersome spaghetti carbonara. I don't think I said that right. But look at I'm holding a little fork. Wow, so cute. We are making carbonara today. It looks like it makes about 8 servings and it's a 3. It's a red on the little scale. This is part of the drowsy dinner. So we have already done a barely awake breakfast. Then we did a lazy lunch and here we are today with a drowsy dinner. But yeah, it makes 8 servings. Let's see what it says right over here. Look at it, it's so cute. All right, so let's see what it says right over here. When you think of coziness and all-consuming comfort, you think carbonara. Your creamy pasta is transformed thanks to a salty bacon and creamy egg, as well as a heavy-handed helping of cheese. This magical dish will keep you in a sheer blissful state of mind you won't soon forget. Ooh, fancy, fancy, fancy. I mean, it is one of the harder recipes, which, I mean, as you can see, it's not a lot. But, I mean, I don't know, I'm excited to try it. I have had carbonara before, but like mostly from like fast food places, which, you know, I mean, I love pasta. I'm a pasta lover, enjoyer. I'll eat it all day, every day, but it's a little too much sometimes. But I really do love pasta, so I'm really excited to try this. I mean, of course, it's more of a lazier version, so, I mean, easy, simple, straight to the point. I mean, let's go. I haven't personally made it before. Boil water and mix things, right? I don't know. But I don't think it's gonna go too bad. I don't know. I'm just excited to try it out. You know, there isn't too much to get, as you can see as well. I'm gonna go get those ingredients and see you guys in a little bit. Alright, and here are all of the ingredients. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It did call for 4 cloves and I found the 4 biggest ones I could find. It said about 6 ounces. I think I got a little bit more than that, but I mean, oh no, that would be the worst. So got a little bit extra. It did call for fresh parsley, but let's be real here. I'm lazy. Yay, there it is. Wow. I am a little concerned that I'm gonna like overcook it or something. Like, what if I cook the egg too much? I don't know, it doesn't seem like you can mess it up that bad, but that is my main concern. I'm sure it'll taste fine, right? It might not even get to that point. I don't know, now I'm like getting in my head. I mean, it's pasta. I don't know, it feels really fancy. I can mess up fancy. I don't know, I mean, it's confidence. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and see how it goes. I'm sure it's gonna go great. It's gonna go fantastic and it's gonna taste yummy. I don't think this is gonna take too long either. It didn't take too long for me to gather like all the ingredients. It's currently about 5:19. So let's see how long. I'm gonna take a guess. I mean, waiting for the water to boil and cook the spaghetti itself, I'm gonna say it's gonna take me like 45 minutes at the most. I don't know, let's see. It's now 5:20. Okay, I gotta start now. Oh my gosh. In a small bowl, whisk together the eggs and cheese. Set aside. Boil the pasta according to package instructions. Drain, reserving 1 cup. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the bacon until browned and crispy. Add the garlic into the fat and cook for 1 minute until softened. Turn off the heat, add the pasta to the pan. Toss with the egg mixture and the reserved pasta water. Season with salt and pepper. Oh! No way. You know, that's enough pepper. Get some peppercorns. I need it. It's okay, it'd be like that. I can't believe that happened. Oh my god. Anyway, it's done. I think it's done. Garnish with parsley and serve immediately. And here's the reveal. Wow, that looks fancy kinda. Oh my god, I'm so excited to dig in. Wow, dude! Oh my god, it looks so good! It smells so good, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at it?
It looks like spaghetti.
It looks so fancy, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's some yummy spaghetti.
It is. It's pretty good. You can see where some of the cheese like got into it a little bit more, which I'm not complaining on. Oh, it's flying everywhere. Pretty stinking delicious if I say so myself. Wow, bacon. I love bacon. Well, that's it. Dude, it tastes so yummy. Dude, this is such an easy thing. Dude, I like, this was easy-ish. I mean, I feel like I don't know if it's supposed to have the little specks. I mean, the few times I had it, but I don't actually remember. I just remember eating it and I was like, yummy. So, I mean, yummy. Would I make this again? Yes, absolutely. Oh my God. Yeah, absolutely. Like, it's so easy. Why not? Absolutely. Yeah, I recommend this. I understand why it was marked a 3 because it was kind of like, you know, the extra work, the quote unquote extra work for like cutting up the garlic and the bacon. And I also cheated with the parsley, but like overall, it didn't take very long. Ooh, my fork almost fell. I finished at like 6. So like 40 minutes. I wasn't that far off. Wow. Actually, I said like 45 minutes. I don't remember. Anyway, but I feel like I was pretty close. So super simple, super easy. I didn't really count the prep time. I want to say like 30 minutes, being generous. Less than 2 hours. At less than an hour and a half at least. Also, this thing fell off while I was like, but I was doing it pretty fast. But I've been trying to get this thing off for so long. I need y'all to understand. I've been trying to get the top of this off for so long, and I just gave up that it was never going to happen. Well, apparently it can happen, and here it is. So can I put it back on? No, I can't. I'm gonna go ahead and stop while I'm ahead on that. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. What did you guys think of this one? Would you guys try making this? Do you guys like pasta? I love pasta. But yay! I've only done 3 recipes from the cookbook already, and I just already recommend it more than enough. I mean, especially considering it's like lazy guide, but it's giving you enough effort. So at least for me, I mean, everybody's different. That's all I got for you guys today. I have so much to clean. Like the pepper all over the place. Ugh. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. If you liked the video, please leave a like or a comment. Tell me what you enjoyed about it. What if you would change anything about the recipe. It seems like things that can be like easily changed out. I very much did add a little bit more cheese and a little bit more bacon, and I'm sure like it's fine with however much you want to add or take out. So, which is something I like about simple recipes. So I mean, I guess that's the whole point. Getting it. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my God. It flew everywhere. It's all over the floor. I love it.